Hello everyone! Julie is here. Today you will learn how to make elf on the shelf folding surprise. So, what you will need for making elf on the shelf folding surprise, guys? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's start making our elf on the shelf present folding surprise. So I will put my paper and we'll just fold it together, folding towards me. So making a line like this, we just fold it together. And now I will fold outside like this. So we have got this paper and we can open it, and it's a ready folding surprise. And now we have to draw something on it. So let's start drawing a present box, and we will put an elf on the shelf inside our box. So I will be drawing just a rectangle, so I'm drawing straight line down, and I will also draw a straight line down here, the same. So just making a box. And if you want to make a bow, so just keep some space for it. So I will just draw a straight line here and a straight line here. And if something goes wrong, you always can rub it out and correct. If it's not too straight, it's not a problem. You can always just draw it again. And now I will be drawing a bow, so I will just draw a semicircle in the middle, just in the center. And I will draw a semicircle. And now I will just draw two lines to show our ribbon down, two vertical lines like this. And now I will draw a bow here, so I will just draw a line, curved it again, and like this, and two lines here can go from the center. And the same I will be drawing here, so straight line, curve, and again like a wave, and two lines to show our bow. And also to show that our box can be opened, I will draw a straight line just upon folding line and under the line here. So you see. So our present box is ready, and now we can open it. And if you have a gap here, just connect the lines here and here. So it's our box, and actually you can draw anything inside our box and put whatever you want inside the box, any present. But I will be drawing an elf on the shelf here. So I will be drawing under this folding line. It will be a circle here, and it will be actually the face of our elf. So I will be start drawing in the middle, and I will start drawing two circles. It would be eyes, so one circle here and one circle here. So it's actually eyes. If they are not too similar, it's okay, you can correct them or leave like this, it will be even cute. Drawing one line here and one line here, and repeating these curved lines. It's actually like semicircles, and white spotlight inside, a small circle inside. Eyes are ready, and now I will draw eyelashes. So it's a girl, and even if it's a boy, you can draw eyelashes. Eyebrows, here two curved lines, and just a curved line in the middle between two circles, two eyes, and it will be its nose. And now I will be drawing a curved line to show a smiley face like this, and Also I will draw lips, a curved line here and a curved line here. So, and now just here I will show two lines to make it easy, and a semicircle here and a semicircle here. It would be ears, and I'm drawing a curved line inside and a curved line inside. And now I will be drawing its hair, so I'm drawing a line somewhere upon its eye and going this way and this way, and a curved line goes here, and it's already very cute, and here. So we are drawing its hair, and you can color it brown, black, yellow, whatever you wish. And now I will be drawing a curved line for its face, just to connect. And now we will go up to connect its hair like this, and let's put a hat. So I will draw straight line here, a straight line here, and it's a little bit curved, so I'm just connecting them. And so I will, it's a little bit moved from the center, but it's okay. I will just put it here and connect, drawing almost a triangle, so I'm connecting its hair, its head. And now I will draw neck, two lines for the neck, just in the middle of each eye. You can make seamless line and connect it, and a curved line here. And also I will draw two lines here and make a pattern like this, so up and down, and again it's like triangles going up and down, and connect them, and two lines going down to show its body. And you can also show its hands, so it will be very easy to show its hands going up. So I will draw a straight line here and down like this, and curved line here for its gloves, and the same I will draw straight line, curved line down, and just this. So very easy, and curved line here. So our elf is very happy and excited, and when you close you can see it, and then it's a surprise, an elf inside. It looks really cute, and now all we have to do is just to color it. Okay guys, I will start coloring our elf on the shelf with its eyes, and I will make them blue, and you can make them green, brown, whatever you wish, and even purple I would say. So I will make them blue. Oh, I will color them blue here as well, and here I will go for black one. So I will just use black for the inside, and then they will look bright and realistic like this. And we'll make red lips, and you can also draw elf girl or elf boy, it's up to you. I'm drawing a girl, and we'll make brown hair, and you can make any color you wish, or maybe a red or a yellow, whatever you wish, and you design your own elf. And it's cute and smiley, and I will put some blushes here just to make it look cute and funny. So I will draw two circles, and you can also make its skin dark brown or light pink, just to shade it a little bit to make it look more realistic. So I will just make it very light pink for it, And I will color red its hands, so it's wearing this red suit, and leave this part's white of the costume, and it's really very funny and smiley, and all elves love to have, they all like to have fun, so we have created the cutest elf today, guys, and it's really a great present for your family, your friends, and you can draw some patterns here, or even write your message like Happy Christmas, or write your wishes to the person you're going to make a gift with your folding surprise. And all I have to color is its head now, so I will be shading it with red. No rush here, take your time, enjoy shading, try to keep inside black lines. And this is my favorite part of the drawing, just shading. It's so relaxing and really enjoying this process because it's so beautiful. And now all I have to color is the box, and you can make different colors. I will be using this light violet here, so I will just make it bright, and you can make it green and orange and whatever you wish. What is your favorite color? Maybe you will decide to make a blue box, or maybe you will put something else inside your box and draw maybe some candies for your elf on the shelf. I think all elves like candies, and I will make ribbon, probably just orange yellow, or you can also make it pink and green. Green and violet usually looks great together. So, and you are just deciding which color to choose. You are creating your own folding surprise. So it's just up to you which color to choose. No limits here. So, and the same I'm going here. And I'm looking forward to see your cute elves on the shelves, guys. Don't forget to share your beautiful artworks with me. So just send them to me, and I will share with others with your beautiful artworks. It's always great to see what your friends have created. And here we go. So it's really cute and bright. And now I will use this melon yellow for coloring the ribbon, so it would be bright, and you can use your own color. So I will make it really bright here to bring this holiday mood. And I will keep an idea that it could be always gold ribbon, so I will make it yellow. And here we go. So, and now I will just show how to add some, if you like to add some light and shadows, it's always a great idea. So I will just use white pencil and drop some light on the top of the box. You can also drop light here, so, and here as well. And you can drop some shadows with gray pencil or gray marker. Just on the bottom, and almost not visible, but it's still here. And also I will drop a shadow here as well. So you can also drop here and a line here, just to make this look really realistic and cute. And so let's look, guys, what we have created today. It's a cute box. Look, and what is inside? 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Well done, guys! Look how cool is our elf on the shelf, guys. This is just an amazing picture we have created today. I love our elf. Well done, guys! This is an amazing drawing we have created today. And don't forget to write your Christmas wishes here. And it's a great idea for Christmas present. Well done! Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy making Elf on the Shelf folding surprise with me, and I really love drawing with you, my art friends. And if you enjoy my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, bye bye!